Zandile Dabula just got a job. A job is a TV show at Moja Love called X Deport. So basically, she's doing exactly what she's been doing in real life. Now is a TV show where she'll be going into companies, businesses, and actually checking people's IDs if they are valid, if whether they're illegal or legal immigrants. So it's something that we've been talking about. All of these movements, Operation Dudula, March and March, Pagalum Tagati, Ngizwe Mchunu, all of these guys, they just want money. They just want attention. So eventually they can get money, they can get shows, they can get noticed. So yes, they are fighting illegal immigrants, but at the end of the day, no one does something for mahal. Nothing for mahal, guys. It's like the basic philosophy ekasi, but people seem to be losing it when it comes to illegal immigration. All of these people want money. Even Pagelum Tagati was taking money from Pakistani and Bangladeshis. They can open up their shops, but they need to pay him at the end of the day. So all of these guys just want money. Even Jacinta Ngobes, it's just only a matter of time before she tells us exactly what kind of money she wants. Maybe she wants money by joining a political party, because donations are not enough. Donations, they just come in and out. Maybe when there's a march, yes, you'll get donations, but sometimes you won't be getting much of that money. So yeah, even Zandile Dabula decided, nah, man, like, I'm not going to run around the streets all day just looking at illegal immigrants. I need to get paid at the end of the day. So she has a new show, which, man, I don't have a problem with this. They must hustle. But people mustn't act like these people are like these heavy activists. They are going to save South Africa. Some people are even putting up pictures of Pagelum Tagati saying that he'll be president one day. No, he's not going to be president. He just wants money, that guy. Basically, he just wants to get paid. So we mustn't act like these guys as these revolutionaries. Even Tlantla, he used illegal immigration thinking that he would climb into parliament and maybe have a seat somewhere, but he flopped. Right now, he's irrelevant. So these guys are all using illegal immigration to get money at the end of the day and eat and get paid. Even Zandile Dabula, that's what she's doing. Here's the clip of her new show.
Last Land company supply. Likamam. Ngicela size ngapha ne. Ninjani? Sondelani sondeleni ngapha. Kunebonda elikhulu. Bazozama ukubaleka, bazozama ukuyifihla, but sizoloku sibacoca nje sibavundulula yonke indawo lapha khona. You guys don't know when you come here you must be properly documented. Please come. Again, right now you have a position of importance. They are foreigners. They're supposed to be carrying their own identities. Why is it sitting with you? Shout. It's because you're arrogant.
Yeah, so we have people like Herman Mashaba riding the wave of illegal immigration to garner votes in the local elections.